terakhir.
Yes.
Tepuk tangan.
A little bit of light, a little bit of gold. Under pressure, you start to fold like a diamond from gold. Maybe you are something I cannot define. Maybe you are the fallen kind. I lay in bed with violence, the silent side of me. We see where fire starts to breathe. When I would lay in silence, the voice inside of me made me use my mind right.
Udah undang aku ke Makassar, aku bisa main di sini, datang ke Makassar di Anjungan Pantai Losari. I love it very much. Thank you.
When I would lay in silence, the voice inside of me made me use my mind right.
Kami dari MTL. Dan terima kasih juga untuk Double Helix.
Terima kasih.
Thank you.
Sampai ketemu.